Throw a few tablets of aspirin for washing, you will be amazed at the result. Aspirin is simply a magical thing that inventive housewives use not only as a cure for headaches. Many women use it for washing. Several tablets are placed immediately in the drum of the machine, along with all things. For one load, add 2 to 5 tablets, depending on the number of things. And then everything is according to the usual plan. Add the powder, conditioner and start the wash. What is all this for? Actually, the answer is simple. Due to the fact that aspirin contains a number of very interesting elements, trivial at first glance tablets help to solve several problems at once during washing. First of all, aspirin helps whiten clothes and allows you to get rid of yellow spots. It also provides additional protection for the fabric, does not allow it to wear out. In addition, aspirin helps to clean the drum, especially if the medication has been added in large quantities. Also, aspirin can be filled into the machine along with washing powder, however, in this case, the tablets will have to be crushed well with a mortar. You can use tablets to improve the washing process outside the machine, for example, when soaking laundry and clothing. For this, the pills are also softened and thrown into a basin with a calculation of 1 tablet per 1 liter of water. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.